Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy coffee cheesecake. First, let's prepare the crust. You'll need about 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Combine these ingredients thoroughly. Then, press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. This creates a delicious, buttery base for our cheesecake. Chill it while we prepare the filling. Now, let's create that irresistible coffee cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder, mixing until just combined. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Pour this creamy mixture over your chilled graham cracker crust. Baking your coffee cheesecake to perfection is key. Place your springform pan in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes until edges are set but the center still wobbles slightly. Once baked, turn off the oven and let it cool inside with the door ajar for 1 hour. Then, cool completely on a wire rack before refrigerating for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight. Finally, it's time to garnish and enjoy your magnificent coffee cheesecake. You can top it with chocolate shavings, a dusting of cocoa powder, or a dollop of whipped cream. For clean slices, warm your knife under hot water and wipe it clean between each cut. This easy method delivers a truly delicious dessert. Also, for other great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.